This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Pamela Froman. Welcome to 5025 Prestwick Street. Located in sought-after Northern Suffolk, Belmont Park. Open floor plan, kitchen appliances, convey, tiled backsplash, breakfast nook, breakfast bar. Laundry room is conveniently located on the first floor, Samsung newer washer and dryer convey. Half bathroom first floor. Living room has sliding doors leading to fenced, private patio. Newer laminate wood flooring in bedrooms, luxury vinyl plank flooring in the living area, neutral paint throughout. First floor primary bedroom with ensuite full bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms, and full hall bathroom upstairs. Front lawn and flower bed maintenance covered by POA. Attached 1-car garage. Convenient to Harbour View and Bridgeport shopping. Interstate and MM/JRB tunnels for easy commute. Call today, November 8, 2024 for more information, review the details below or contact Pamela Froman at 757-478-1091.